Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a repeater on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And right now I'm going to go to the site where I want to remove the repeater. So I'm going to go to this one, click on select and edit site. And then once you click on select and edit, you'll be here in the uh, dashboard. And once you're here, just go to the left. And then as you can see guys, right here, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be here in this tab. So just wait for the tab to load. This is gonna be the Wix editor. And once you're here in the editor, this is how it would look like. Right here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. So basically guys, this is the repeater I want to remove. It's pretty simple to remove it. Just go ahead and click on it. Click on the whole repeater and then just click on the delete button on your keyboard. And as you can see guys, it's simply removed. So I just clicked on Control Z to show you guys some more details about it. You can also delete one by one, for example, only this one. So you can select item by item, you can change the background, you can manage the items, you can delete them like this. Also, you can duplicate the items, change the text, change the background, and so on. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.